All right, so I pulled the honey super off, the max strips, gave them a little bit of food here on this last hive, the number 4, the tin of clubs. I'm gonna go ahead and add a reducer here. This is a small hive beetle guardian, but it's not all intact, it's just there. That makes sense. It comes in 2 pieces, and while it's not necessarily working to keep the small hive beetles out because it's not intact, I don't feel like it was super effective when it was intact. But I feel like it adds a little bit more protection for the bees in there at the entrance when it comes to like robbing and stuff like that. So I'm looking for just random entrance reducers. And this is not a complete intact one here, so I'm just gonna kind of, I'm using the larger. I'm not using anything, am I? So it's reduced it a little bit there. I'm not trying to narrow it down to 1 inch. That probably wouldn't be bad, but just trying to narrow it down a little bit. Now that it's starting to get cold, we'll have a couple more. We'll have another week or 2 of hot days. Let's see if I find another one. Maybe under here. I need to put a swipper sheet in that one. Just walking around, I'm looking at the trash I got to pick up. I'll have an entrance reducer somewhere. I can find another one. So while I'm doing this, all right, a little bit of propolis I got. Put that in my wax box and add it to my boxes. When I dip them in paraffin,